City driving is relatively more difficult than highway and freeway because of the inherent complexities of intersections and traffic flows. Novice drivers should transition slowly from residential and less congested driving areas. When it comes to obstacles found on city streets, there are many. More roadway users, including taxis, buses, trucks, and pedestrians. Intersections with constantly changing traffic lights and often confusing traffic flows. Work zones and detours. Parked cars on streets that can block a driver's view. Pedestrians and bikes will dart in and out of traffic. Delivery trucks make frequent unexpected stops. Plan your route carefully. Change lanes well in advance of your turns. Follow the posted speed limit. Watch for tailgaters. Leave extra driving distance ahead. It can be tempting to pass vehicles on congested streets. However, this can be dangerous due to closely spaced intersections, irregular traffic flow, cars entering and exiting parking spots. Since the busy, crowded environment of city driving is challenging for new drivers, this is a good time to review key driving skills. The most important skill for drivers is the ability to make good decisions. City driving forces drivers to make lots of decisions quickly. 3 things you need to drive safely in the city are: visibility, to see potential problems in all directions; space, to maneuver around obstacles and avoid hazards; time, to anticipate risks and make adjustments to speed or position. One-way streets are more common in some cities than others. Watch for one-way signs. When entering a one-way street, be careful with parked vehicles along the sides of the road. Steer clear of aggressive drivers. Do not use your horn except in an emergency. Honking the horn out of anger or frustration confuses other drivers. If your goal is to pass your driving test on the first attempt, practicing in different driving environments such as city will build your confidence. If you are anxious, or your parent or guardian is reluctant to take you, consider hiring a driving instructor. Start with short routes planned in advance. Avoid rush hour if just starting out. Ultimately, safe city driving is a requirement for everyone entering independent adulthood. Different city jurisdictions have curfews for teen drivers. Be sure to review what those are before practicing city nighttime driving.